Welcome to Chapter 1, Introduction to History. Do you guys know what is history? See, history is the study of past events, and we all get to know what has happened in the past by looking at the things from the past sources and artifacts. So we also get to know about the journey of humans. It also tells us about the failures and success of humans in their journey. History explains the historical incidents, the accuracy of time, place and person. This means when the incident took place, where and by whom. This would be clear. Without these clarities, history becomes a story. Now we shall know why do we want history. See, what happens if we touch the flame? See, my finger is burning, right? It burns, right? Yeah. So this is what is known as experience. By this, we will get to know that we should not touch the fire. And this is due to the past experience of the burning sensation. And this is due to the memory that we have and recollect the same and retain what has happened. Then do you know what will happen if we don't have memory? We would have repeated the same mistake again and again. Due to this, there would be no progress of human beings. As human beings need memory to progress, so a society or a nation need memory to progress. It is inevitable. Then what can be assumed as memory for a society or a nation? That is history. So memory serves human to survive. History serves as a memory for a society, state, nation and the whole world.